your brain going to think that it is? You're going to think -2 is like, are you thinking left or right? You would think left, so then what's the answer going to really be? Yeah, this is going to be a shift to the right by 2. Okay, so let's go back and fill in some details here, answer our question. What was the new domain of this graph after we switched it?
And then you're going to have to distribute the negatives. So it is x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus, oh, that's just x squared minus 1. So that turns into x squared plus 1.
I got 37.
On number 12?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
So this, what number did you say?
12.
12. And 12 says, oh, f of g of h of 16. Okay.
So are we good to move on? If not, please sound off. All right, then I am going to move to, let's see, page 13. Page 13. So let me pull up my Smart Notes. And let's see if I even have the right ones up. I'm not sure. Let's see. That's a little early. Here's page 13. Okay, so I'm going to go a little bit fast. These are some of the same definitions that we addressed when we were back in Algebra 2. So let's talk about what it means to be a function that is increasing.
When you get in your breakout room, I want you to go through example 1 and example 2 and explain what the numbers that you're seeing, where they are in the equation, inside the parentheses, outside the parentheses, and what they're doing to the graph. Okay, can somebody phrase back to me, what are we going to do in the breakout room? Right. You're going to explain what you saw in the equation and what it was doing to the graph. All right, so we're going to give you just a couple minutes on that. Let's have one person explain the first part of it, and then one person explain the second example, so you guys both get a chance to talk. All right, any questions about what we're setting up here? All right, then here we go. We're going to open up the rooms.
So if they're outside the parentheses, it affects y. For the second one, it would affect x because the numbers are inside the parentheses.
Yeah, and it would have an opposite effect.
Let me, I totally agree with everything you just said. Can I follow up with, when you say it's an opposite effect, which one is an opposite effect? The inside or the outside the parentheses?
The inside.
Okay, so then what if I have like f of x outside parentheses plus 6?
Then that would be an impact to the y.
All right, so here's what's going to happen. You're looking at the video, at the smart board. You're looking at the screen. You're going to decide which quadrant that point belongs in. So we're going to launch the poll, and you should now be able to see the poll on your screen. You don't need to type this in the chat bar, okay? I just want you to tell me, is it in quadrant 1 if you think it is? Choose point A, or choose answer A. If you think that point's gonna be in quadrant 2, that's answer choice B. If you think it's quadrant 3, right, just like it says on the screen, choose C.